It's now time for our he said, she said. Protective versus possessive. What do you say? Nevs, what's the first point we have here?
Well, it says an overprotective boyfriend may be deeply in love with you and he may even care a lot about you. But is that an excuse for him to hold your strings, dominate you and control your life? He may not realize it himself. And there's a very thin line between overprotective and caring and being overprotective and dominating.
The word overprotective, though, already says enough. Overprotective. That's like, you're not just protective, you're overprotective. So why it must be overprotective and caring or overprotective and dominating? If you're overprotective, that's already too much. You don't think so?
Anything over is too much.
Right.
Well, first thing, me jealous.
Oh.
That's the first thing.
Oh.
So some of these things that I says, he says he tells you that you treat, hello?
He tells you that you treat him badly, or tells you that he doesn't believe you love him as much as he loves you. You do those things?
But I think I've...
That's a yes. You say, how long him buck? Him bucked too long. That's a yes.
No, because I'm trying to listen here and talk at the same time, so I don't know what I'm saying.
So you do that?
Do what?
Do you tell your girlfriend that she treats you badly, or tell her that you don't believe she loves you as much as you love her?
No. But sometimes I feel like I could be treated better.
What you want to the man when you're not? Every single time I have these discussions with man when you're
could I be treated a little better?
That's not what I'm saying. But saying that to your girlfriend, saying, you know, me love you more than you love me. That's a manipulative statement.
No, I said I don't say that. You asked me the question and I said I don't say that, but sometimes honestly, I feel like...
I believe if a man does that, it's in order to manipulate.
No, I don't say that. But it's the same way I feel I could treat my girlfriend a little better sometimes too.
Oh, look at you trying to be politically correct.
I'm not politically correct. He always expects you to answer his call and speak to him.
Do you do that? I don't know. I figure if I have a life and you have a life, there are going to be times that I call you and can't get you, and you call me and can't get me, right? So if you call me and you don't get me and you left like 20 phone calls on my phone, and when we reach you, you're like, problems.
No, but hold on a little bit.
Problems.
If you are at work and thing and I call you and I don't get you, then me not have no problem. But if I expect you to be X place, and me I call you and can't get you, then me not go say,
Okay, pause. If I'm at my yard, oh, stop it. Honest to God, if I'm at home and the phone is here and I'm there, and I don't hear it ringing, or the phone is on silent because I'm in the studio and I left it on silent and I forget to take it off silent, and you call me and you don't get me, is that going to be your first thing?
Why is your phone on silent if you're at home?
I just gave you the reason why it's on silent. I left the studio here with it on silent, went home and forgot to take it off silent, and I didn't hear the phone ringing because it's on silent. And your first port of call is going to be, I want them to
hold on, no. But if you did love me, if you did, when I finish, I'd like to finish and I'll make you finish now. If you did love me, listen up now. If you did love me, when you go home, you must say, you know, the great and wonderful handsome boyfriend soon called me. Make sure I take it off silent and put
stop the foolishness.
It's a very simple
things happen. Stop the foolishness.
What do you mean?
Come on now. Stop the foolishness. So you never ever forget to take your phone off of silent. You never miss a call from your... Harold, stop hiding behind the camera because you first over there.
Why are you chasing everybody?
I'm not chasing, I'm asking a question. You don't ever forget you ever miss a call from your wife?
Wait no. You see it? Wait no.
Never. Our wife, please to call it.
Wait no. You see the next thing? You know the only reason I'm calling. I just want to make sure you're all right and you are safe.
Check up on me because
I want to make sure you reach home okay and everything is everything.
If the first port of call in your brain is, I wonder if Joe did it, then there's no trust.
No. I was teasing when I said that. But I'm saying the first time I call, I say, honey, you reach home all right? And me no get on it. So I say, wait, the way on it there. So I call again. Honey.
Honey, phone never silent. Honey, in the bathroom. And use the bathroom. Honey, leave her phone.
Honey, carry the phone going there with you.
Look now.
Right.
Okay, next point. Your boyfriend accuses you of flirting with the guys or encouraging men if you speak to a guy or laugh at his joke, or he tells you that every guy you talk to has a crush on you.
Me notice that with you, you know.
What?
that you come in here and you smile up with everybody.
Because this is my workspace. You want me to skin up my face at everybody? Yo, morning.
Yeah, so what's wrong with that? And then when Londia say hi, Sakina, they say hi, Lons. But when Marvin come and say, Sakina, you should say good morning. but when Marvin say good morning, you say, Marvin, go on. And you have to hug up everybody inside here.
Same treatment.
That is the problem that I have.
Because I work here.
Everybody must get the treatment that I get.
Which are you special?
Of course, I am your gentleman. Them no more special.
Gentleman. This is an idiot. Don't listen to this idiot. Okay? Let's just move on from that. I think if your boyfriend can't understand that you have a work relationship with people around you, then what's the point?
The next time you come in here and hug up everybody, me just come sit down.
Oh, what is this? You know, I really think you're starting to buy into this concept of having work wives every day. You really feel so we belong to you, don't you?
Yeah.
Let's move on.
Well, you asked me a question. Yes.
You have to be available for him even if you're out with friends or want to spend a day by yourself. You don't have two separate lives. I'm asking a serious question now. You and your partner don't have two separate lives.
Yes.
So if your partner being the girl wants
how much question you asking?
So you answer one, so I'm going on to the next one. I'm going on to the second part of the question.
You want to run this, you know?
You have a separate life.
Yes.
And the female want to spend some time by herself or with some girlfriends. They want to go out, they want to go to the spa, they want to go shopping.
Fair enough.
They want to go shopping.
Yes.
And why you can't leave me alone for the time for
because I want to make sure you are okay.
You know something okay.
Oh, I must know and I don't see you gone out and that don't
stop it, you know something okay.
I must know.
You trail your wife go market?
No, listen to me. Listen to me now. Listen to me.
Jesus,
I am so in love with you that when you go out, I want to know you're alright. So I say, honey, and me can't get you again. So where is honey?
Why? Me glad.
Eh?
You?
No, you agree. No,
them same is a stalker, don't Jody? Them same is a stalker because that is
he needs to know where you are and who you are with and what you are up to for safety reasons, of course. So, all right, we can explain all life funny. You see, if she go on road and she out there for 2-3 hours and don't hear from me, she go and feel say me up to something and me don't call you.
True.
So if I call you now because I don't want you to be with your friends and all kind of thing. But first, make I explain. I'm calling because I want to know if she's all right. And if I don't call, she going to say, "Oh, come in here from the man." So the man don't love me, but I love her. But when I call her, I don't get. You know, so me not call you back, right? You know that.
The only reason a woman get that kind of response from a man is if she just as jealous and as psycho as the man like this. End of story. We're going to a break. We're going to a break. We'll be right back.
Well,
if you do, you're stalking.